When Jeffrey Dahmer was a child, he killed and tortured small animals, birds, to be exact, chickens, I believe. He killed and he tortured small animals, and later on he grew up, and he killed and tortured people. If you watch a Jeffrey Dahmer interview, he will tell you that he loved those people, and he did it out of love, and, you know, for his own reasons, and he had a sick mind. That's obvious. Jeffrey Dahmer was a very sick person. Now, in the papers and all over the internet and all over the news, Christians are saying that God is killing birds as a sign that the end is near, and because He loves us. I can't help but to make a correlation between the two. Jeffrey Dahmer kills small animals and humans out of love. Now God's killing small animals, and according to the Christians, He's going to kill a bunch of people out of love. So, is God Jeffrey Dahmer?